You are going to love the 2019 CLA. The CLA comes with impressive handling, excellence, and luxury interiors. It has amazingly sleek lines, which also reduces the coefficient drag to minimal and making it very aerodynamic, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 35,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, alloy wheels, brake assist, rear fog light, four-wheel disc brakes, rain sensing wipers, low tire pressure warning, power windows, tachometer, power steering. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.